Let's see if this Eco Fuel Save, if Fuel Save Pro is, does this really work or not? Is this a scam product? I will tell you with proof if this works or not. So let's start. First of all, you will see the reviews on this website. There is no proof that these are real reviews. You can and anyone can easily edit and just paste their reviews on these websites, because these are not at all official website. This just looks like a temporary website. As you can see, offer.getfuelsavepro, this just looks like a landing page and not a real website. So I would say this is very easy to manipulate people here. So that's the first thing, that there are reviews which can't be trusted. And now in the contact us section, you will see there is no way to contact them, just an email id, a phone number. This did not work. I tried. And you will see many reviews about this product on the YouTube, and in the comments, if you will notice, there is one thing common: all of them are just appreciating the creator. These are just all bot comments on under most of these YouTube videos you will find. But sometimes you will get real reviews. You can see total scam, this product does not nothing. It's the changes in the driving, because you are more conscious of driving habits. And many people, you will find some comments on this. Now this product is not something of a new thing. This has been going on for literally 5 to 6 years. You can see this video is of 4-year-old. This is Eco OBDZ, and similarly many products came with different name: Eco Plus, Eco Fuel, and all these things. And you can check out this video. This video has most detailed video on this topic, and you can see how this product does not work. And I will give the link in the description. But this product is look